Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started the channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, Canada and UK, and I also share my analysis on the important currency pairs including British pound, Japanese yen. And sorry for not having a professional setup. I am doing this video from the comfort of my home. And this analysis is for uh, today only, 24th Feb 2021, Wednesday. Okay, so this analysis is valid for today only. I'll be coming down tomorrow again with tomorrow's analysis. Okay, so let's jump into the chart. We can see that right now market is trading at 149.64, and you can see that I have also marked a level 150.12 level with the help of this blue line. So this is the line that we need to look, or this is the price level uh, that is very important for today. So market is trading at 149.64. So we do not need to place the buy order at this particular level. Let me show you with the help of a pencil. So we do not need to trade in this particular zone. Okay, we will only place the buy order if market goes above this line. Okay, market above this line only. If market successfully crosses this particular resistance and stays above this particular resistance for say 1 hour, okay, then only we will consider at that this level has become the valid support. Before that, we won't be placing the buy order. Let the support become the let the resistance become the support. Okay, when market will break the level, let the market stay above this level. Let the resistance become the support. Then only you should go ahead and place the buy order. Before that, no, just wait and watch. And the most important player for today will be apart from this line is the 50 period moving average. We can see that market is taking support at the 50 period moving average. So uh, in case market doesn't go up and it starts coming down, and if you find this currency in this price zone, okay, if you see that after hitting the 50 period moving average, it's not going down. 50 period moving average is giving support and it is bouncing off from there, then that will be the best position to place the buy order, because that will be the area of value. Okay, are you getting my point? Okay, I'm repeating again. If market doesn't go up and starts coming down, and market takes support at the 50 period moving average, and you see some price rejection from below, okay, 50 period moving average is should act as a support in case the selling pressure is too high. Suppose market is coming down, and the selling pressure is too high, then 50 period moving average may fail to provide the support. Okay, so confirmation is important. Suppose market is coming down, okay, and you see after hitting the 50 period moving average, you see a pattern like this. Okay, that means that it is providing support, and if market reverses from there, then you can go ahead and place the buy order somewhere around here. Okay, that will be the best area of value for placing the buy order. When the 50 pair moving average will act as a support. In case it doesn't come down and hits the 50 pair moving average and it goes up, then let market cross the 150.12 level, let market stay above the resistance, let the support resistance become the support, then you go ahead and place the buy order. So okay, hopefully you'll have understood what should be your strategy with the British pound Japanese yen for the day. If you have understood and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I'll come down tomorrow again with tomorrow's analysis. Thank you so much, and if you want to know more about me, then you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and good luck.